A friend of mine, teenager, high school, we were both on a Halloween night, went out with my BB gun. Not to do anything necessarily, we're just carrying it. Just pretty soon we were accosted by a policeman who says, "What are you doing with those guns? Somebody just shot out a window and something." And he give me that gun, and you just walk that way and I'll be right behind you. So all of a sudden we're walking, and we're commiserating with each other. Oh my God, because this is Brooklyn Tech we went to, which means that's probably the end of Brooklyn Tech. They'll throw us out to a regular high school and all that sort of stuff. And I guess we softened his heart. The guy listened to this and said, "Well, you're not the guys we're looking for."